Hey guys, Al Guyman, Chunky Monkey Traveler. I'm at the Sun Island Hotel and Spa, where we'll be spending a few days here. Let me give you the grand tour. All right, here's the front of the building. Nice big high rise. Looks like it needs a little work up there. A little restaurant right out here in front. Nice 4 columns. Let's go scope this place out. Not a lot of amenities. Free Wi-Fi. You can get breakfast included. No gym. But I think, let me show you around here. The front lobby area. Beautiful waiting area. Got this pool with some fish. This is the dining area where we get breakfast in the morning. Hey, this is our fine waitress that served us breakfast every day. What was your name?
I'm Maya.
Maya, nice to meet you, Maya.
Again.
Yes, thanks, Maya. Here we usually have a little bit of a buffet breakfast and stuff like that. They bring it to you. You can serve you American breakfast. Let's check this place out. Okay. Let's start over here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors to this place. Beautiful bridge. Now, unfortunately, the pool is about a half a meter over there, and the deepest it gets to is 1.2 meters. So it's like a gigantic kiddie pool. Got some nice lounging. Beautiful bridge. You know, and you could smoke on your patio here. Like I said, 1.2 meters, about the deepest it gets. Beautiful.
Hello guys. We just got here in Kuta Beach, and then we're here at the Sun Island Hotel and Spa. And so check our room. Come on. Not here because stuff only. So here. Come here inside. We already put our stuff here.
Got a nice 32-inch screen TV right over the mirror. Coffee and tea.
Somehow the air conditioner is working good.
Out here we have a smoking room. Well, it may not be smoking room, but a patio. I don't know if they like if you're smoking in there or not. All right, let's see what else we got. So we have a huge king-size bed, beautiful artwork, looks like a peacock on the wall. Nice little chair and reclining area. You got a window off the bedroom with a shower, so
And then when I take a shower, you can just see.
you can watch your woman either do her duty or take her shower.
There's a blind anyway.
Nice big bathroom. And of course, the shower. Not a rainfall, but it works. Nice big closet. Let's see what's in here. Some sandals, safe, blow dryer, plenty of coat hangers. So that's about it. This would be our place to stay for the next 5 nights. We'll explore the area and show you all around. So come and join us. Anything you want to say there?
We will check out the whole place for sure.
The swimming pool and the restaurant. And we got the breakfast included.
And the places around.
Yep, sounds good. Come join us.
Join us.